are markets supposed to trade today? What with Trump tweets, the jobs report that didn't particularly disappoint, a fresh batch of economic data, an FOMC that's talking about mid-cycle cuts? What are markets supposed to think?
Well, I think markets have to recognize that we're in for a period of a lot of volatility and a lot of ongoing uncertainty. This is, I think, certainly the legacy that will linger. This latest escalation in the trade war, these tariff threats. Even if they were to be resolved in short order, which I think we're sort of skeptical about, it harkens back to what we saw with Mexico, the sudden about face that came when the Mexico tariffs were kind of out of the blue threatened. Here we have the president talking about instituting new tariffs a day after we saw, the trade negotiations kind of characterized as constructive. The bottom line is for markets, it's very hard to make any longer term assumptions, because at any point there can be a tweet that changes the situation or some piece of news that radically alters the backdrop. And this is what I worry about in terms of the economy, is even if we get a short-term resolution, the lingering uncertainty that at any moment something new could be sort of thrown in is something that I think is going to keep an air of caution here on the part of business that will lead to some cooler activity.